In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set up or install any printer here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, here at the search bar, please type the printer driver that you would like to install with. So it could be Canon, it could be Epson and HP or any of the printer driver that you would like to install. So let's say for example, I want to install a printer driver from HP. All you need to do is you need to type for printer, HP printer driver, space download. So it could be HP printer driver, it could be Canon printer driver, it could be Epson printer driver. So select any of that, okay, and then click on the enter key in your keyboard once you are done typing. And in a few moments, you would be navigated to this new page where you can see this list of results. So please proceed to the official one, which is the official website of the printer that you have searched, okay? And in a few moments, you would be able to see this kind of window where here you need to find a search bar where you can type or where you can search the serial number or the product name or the product number. So let's say for example, in my case, I want to install HP LaserJet P1006. All you need to do is you need to click on the enter key in your keyboard once you are done typing so that you would be navigated to the result where you can get to see the printer driver that you have searched. Eventually, you'd be navigated to the result. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay. And from here, you would be able to see driver product installation software and the basic drivers. Click on it. And you would be able to see a download option. Click on it. So in some printer driver, if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, all you need to do is you need to click on yes or agree. And in that way, you would be able to start the downloading process. So to check the progress, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there this one. All you need to do is you need to navigate this, okay, folder icon. The moment you do it, you would be navigated to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so once you have pasted the file that you have downloaded, you need to proceed to the extraction or to unzipping of this file. So you can double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So here, all you need to do is you need to go with your WinRAR and go with extract to. Now in a few moments, wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that is the time that we will now start the installation. So before we proceed to the installation, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Okay, so here all you need to do is you need to navigate to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Okay, let me just cancel this. Okay. Now from that, please navigate here at the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. The moment you click on it, proceed with printers and scanners. And here in this section, you will be able to see add device. Click on it. And kindly wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Now once it's here, click on add manually. And in a few seconds, you would be able to open a new window like this. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. So if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So go with next once you've set it and click on have disk and click on browse. And since our start like that. And then here on the list, scroll down and then find the extracted file. So from here, double tapped and eventually you'd be able to see the driver. Click on open and click on the OK button here. So we'll just have to find the printer driver. It will show you the printer driver here. Click on the next. Go with next and it will now start the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, you can now click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully set up or installed any printer driver here in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.